I'm gonna give you a few tips on being a good truck driver. Number one, to become a good truck driver, you always need to work on your skills. Always practice, practice, practice. Number two, never neglect safety no matter what. Number three is your health. Always take care of your health, manage that, that'll make you a better driver. Number four, always check your vehicle, always check it every day and at the end of the day. And number five is maintain a great driving record. That will make you a great truck driver in today's market. If you're new to trucking, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button so I can give you more tips on Trucking Like with Sean. And I'll see you next time.